Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. First, make sure your Bo6 is powered and unlocked so settings respond. Open Settings, then Display, or pull down Quick Settings and tap the sun icon to reveal the brightness slider. Turn on the ambient light sensor so the phone can measure room light. This prevents overcorrection. If battery saver is active, disable it because it can clamp brightness and skew the adjustment. Once done, you'll be set to fine-tune visibility without guessing. Now fine-tune the image so it's comfortable and accurate. Use the slider for coarse changes, nudge it in 5 to 10% steps while viewing the apps you use most, because brightness feels different in video versus text. Next, test adaptive brightness. Turn it on to let the sensor learn your preferences, but disable it if it keeps overcorrecting. Finally, tweak color temperature and contrast, and enable night mode at low light. These settings affect perceived brightness and eye comfort. To finish, verify the changes across real use. View a dark app, a bright web page, and the camera preview so you see how the Bo6 renders highlights and shadows. If brightness still acts erratically, restart the device to clear temporary glitches, then check for system updates that address display bugs. Make sure no app is forcing its own brightness. If problems persist, reset display settings or contact support, and remember, battery saver, adaptive modes, and a blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.